Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. In order to create this look, we're going to need a couple of things to begin. Some clips, some rubber bands, some bobby pins, a brush or a comb. It's your choice. At first I'm going to go ahead on and prepare Selena's hair. I have here some hairspray and some thermal heat spray, and I'm just going to curl the hair to add some texture into the hair. Now that the hair's been curled, I'm going to give it a good brushing. And I'm going to section the hair off into 3 sections. I'm going to divide the hair into 2 sides and the back, which is starting at the nape. Now that I divided the hair into 3 sections, I'm going to go ahead and pancake it, which is just pulling it out a little bit to make it a little bit more fluffier looking, to add more volume. And I'm just going to secure that with those bobby pins. On the second section, I'm just going to basically cornrow the hair going back. Once I've completed the cornrow, I'm going to go ahead and pancake that section as well. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. Now that I have all the sections braided and pancaked, I'm going to crisscross them and I'm going to secure the sides into the back. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.